I wanted the beach. I wanted to be sipping mojitos and relaxing and all that kind of stuff. Felicia's a Southern girl, and for a Southern girl, you're kind of surprised that she wanted white snow. Well, today she got her snow.
Good morning from Whistler, Blackcomb. This is Tom with a 6 a.m. snow and weather report for Thursday, December 13th, 2018. We have received 50 centimetres, 20 inches of new snow overnight. Today's forecast is for more snow, occasionally heavy, ending overnight.
I've been unsure about a lot of things in my life. I never really knew what love was. I was always questioning it. I ran into Felicia. I knew right away when I met her. I looked at her and I'm like, this is the most beautiful girl I've ever met in my whole life. Actually, I haven't told anybody this, but I was actually praying to God, reaching out to meet somebody like that and special, and it actually happened.
I spotted him across the bar in Nashville, and I was like, I don't know who he is, but I have to talk to him. And from like the moment we started talking, it was like, I don't know who I'm marrying this guy. Like from the day that I met him, I knew. It was a feeling. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it.
Father in heaven, we ask for your special blessing upon this home and for the marriage of Ben and Felicia. May their home always be known as a place of peace and where love resides. May the meaning of this day be fulfilled through the days and through the years to come. May their love and their unity of spirit grow deeper and stronger in the uncertainties and changes of life they will certainly share. May they find comfort together in shared hours of shadow as well as in the bright sunshine of joy. May they be to each other both strong and gentle, and may they love and adventure always. Since you, Benjamin, Felicia, have consented together in marriage and made your covenant to each other in the presence of these witnesses and in the middle of a snowstorm, by the authority of the province of British Columbia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.